Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. We are starting a new chapter. We're in chapter 7 in our volume 1 math book. We are composing and decomposing numbers 11 to 15. So that means, how do we show numbers 11 to 19 in another way? So just like we did with 1 through 10, we're going to show these numbers with objects on tin frames, things like that. So we're in our teen numbers. Today we're going to focus on numbers 11 to 15, and we're going to make these numbers. So let's look at our first page. If you want to grab a crayon, you can use a crayon. You can put counters in there. You can use your pencil. Anything you would like to do to show our numbers today. All right, we are going to use 2 different colors on our first problem. We're going to use one color to show 10. So in our first tens frame, show me 10. Now, we've talked about this before. If we see a tens frame and every box is filled, that tens frame is full and equals 10. So we're going to write 10 on that blank next to the first tens frame. Now, with a different color, I'm going to show 4 more. My first tens frame is full, so I'm going to go to my second tens frame and show 4 more. Okay, write that number on the blank next to that tens frame. So we have 10 in my first tens frame, 4 in my second. What number does 10 and 4 make? We can count them, or we can add. If we start with our first tens frame, 10, count on from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 shown in our tens frames. Let's explore some more. Let's see these examples on the next page. All right, in the box, they did number 1 for us. We're just going to follow along with how they did it. Okay, let's count the first tens frame. It's full, so we have 10. Trace that 10. And in our second tens frame, we only have 1 more. So 10 and 1 more, if we count on 10, 11, and trace the 11. All right, let's look at number 2. We're going to do this one and figure out how we made the number. Our first tens frame is full, so 10. And how many are in our second tens frame? 1, 2. 10 and 2 more makes, trace the number, it makes 12. If we count on from 10, 2 more, we have 10, 11, 12. All right, let's go down to number 3. We've got mittens in our tens frame. Our first tens frame is full, so 10. And how many in our other tens frame? 1, 2, 3. 10 and 3 more, count on from 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go, 13. Skip the on your own page. We'll come back to that at the end. You'll do that by yourself. Look at our problem solving page. They've got the first numbers for us. We have to figure out what we made, what number they put together to make. So I'm going to start in my first tens frame. They gave me the number. I need to draw 10 objects in the first tens frame. That means the whole frame is filled. Then go down and trace that 10. Then they say 10 and 2. So put 2 more in our next tens frame. Trace the number. Now if we count on 10 and 2 more, 11, 12. 10 and 2 is 12. Now look at number 8. Let's fill the first 10. Trace the 10. And then 3 more. Ten and 3 is what? 11, 12, 13. 10 and 3 more is 13. All right, guys, flip back to on your own, finish up that page, and then complete your homework.